Promoto Arismama Yamamunyana ha. Titromafra online TV so ena menemo hia ewiabre ne braso. Se kasebo nyame adom enifiada. Eye boja ye wo kasebom na otwene mu ni nyina no. Enuna na opoku ageman me de nsem no ne nkyiremu ebremo. Na nsem no na ho de ni nyina akugina Odifo Samuel Prayer and Counseling Center so se brai na wonhwa brabo no ma ne fa ba bia ntu ho fo ncheche okwai na wanya agina so. Kumasi ha ena omo Ejaba Family House wo ahembobo ano na chese menhia no traffic light na se wa pe ena Odifo Samuel wo eya akọ na wanya hoto ewo abrabom no ensem no de edimu akotin bi ene se mami je no poku ageman adaga na fo asese wabo mpaya ma no okọ ayarehwe no wasan bedru fia somtwe mu afi Dr. Baumia edi ato ndc aban nanim se so abo no homoden amasidi no egina nsusue ba ko pa wode abenti egina no wonkam yenhwe saa ne beko ayawaso central no ewo enkran abai crash pani a wayi no nimpre no suoni omokoto aba na omaboro omo ama anyeyie afi maame bitisu afi edi atodwa se sesei eye nufo mu kura yare a edoso no galamsey ya ena aba mama yenko na yenko metro mass nso eho enhwemu ampanimfo bi aye na yedimirika tenten so akọ ofen so eho ena nananom a omo abofo kira abusua panini bi hunti sesei de aya sotro ena omusi wo mo ho ewo ho sanso ena sidi na ho de na ekoso biti yente kesika so yente eniema so no yense ntwini na twumbe ma so ne amanfo akodi nkomo a wenu nyina ye betimu bie asizo a medindi no nana opoku agema mama memra na nsem no menkyeremu Professor J Nana opoku agema na oyo mampani abedi akire no de aseda magana fo se obompaye na woye de obeyi bia nyame adom ene wasan abankom se tifo be ka hye nso amaami na nsem ho ekoba se ne na momframam emebinum kura ka se mpo wahwe ne nkwa nenso ma me kira na yare ne de emu ye den ma nti wode ne to aluprimu mrika tente kwa so ekọ yukabrichimem kohwe no ne no na nyame adom se dia dofo si abompa na Ghana fo ata ne chia doctor fo ya ade nom ne ade no ama ne ho ato na enti wabedufia o gina so na ode aseda ama Ghana fo ebrekro na nso omampani John Damani Mahama ene ne yere ene NDC amanyoku no mpanimfo ekohia maami ewo kutuka iwimhyen gina bia wo enkran no na omampani si nani ajepa se anko yidi moni bia amata ne ho na emom maami je no poku agema wasan abeka Ghana fo nsa ne mmade ba ko hye no nso yare mu pa ne se yare sabia hodo na wo Ghana ha no efa o se emi ani ko ho na enema ekomu yie ma sa aka de no kososo de a ebeba so bi yare putupure mu odene mpo a ebetia je ne nkwa wa ha enko ba se chinchin o se yede no fro elupre mama yentie omampani ene maami je no poku agema
in London. I came there myself and you told me how courteous they had been and how they had been of help. But I think in all this it raises the issues of us improving our healthcare so that we can handle emergencies like this. We built a quintennial hospital, which is the UGMC, but it's still not at the stage where it can handle some of these cases. And so it's a call to duty that we should implement it the way Professor Mills had intended it to be, so that in future things like this can be, emergencies like this can be handled, without us having to fly out. But we're happy to have you. The doctors say you are 20 years younger and that you are okay and fit for the job, but we'll ask that you take it easy for a little while and afterwards we'll see how things go. So thank you very much on behalf of all our colleagues, on behalf of all Ghanaians. I'm sure today Ghanaians will be very happy.
I want to say thanks to God. His mercies have been infinite, as always, and I'm very grateful. I express gratitude to the medical staff too, for seeing the right thing, for making the right proposals. And to my boss, that day, I don't know where you appeared from, but he came and quickly set in motion what we needed to do. And I also want to thank all of you, your prayers, for your good wishes. I can't be thankful enough. I'm very grateful. But I need to isolate beyond family and friends, your brother, Mr. Ibrahim. He stopped at nothing to ensure that I had what I needed. And then he also came to the hospital. He came to sit by me, and that was healing by itself. So, my little boss, I'm very, very grateful. So I'm very happy to be back. And there's so much that has happened that we all need to do. And I know that with our collective will, we'll do much more for our country.
Oshafo mami je no poku ajeman omampani abedi akire ene nyame adom so yensa aka no ahofe kwa so kra na odaga na fo nyina se na osi su ni titru se ne yare emu pa de ohunu se nyame firi ho a na abrante Ibrahim mama eka ho bi na onya enkwa Ibrahim mama yedo asese wabo ama ye mami so abankom se da kese ne otwedi ampon ene ye de ma no na nansen akoba se sidi na hoɔden no ekosoro kakra ama ndisi amanyoku a odi ade na hyase bonsamra ne se kan se moma nkofo no nko o mo betena so mfie nwatwe wo anya hwe sidi na hoɔden hwan na ne hwaye ba ya bosumi num pepepe nie mo hu nsenchene a esi Ghana ha na no na apusu omambani abedi akira na okana na danko akufo ado ho na wosan gina mu bon to ase ko be mampani dia ma MPP amanyokuo ne oman Ghana nyina Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na Dr. Baumia chirim se sandisifo bon samrane se waya ade a ene wo mo nkyere susue ba ko pe enche Ghana fo se wo mba ye no no mde egu akwam a enti sidi na ho ode no enya agina so saa.
The appreciation of the city that we have seen recently. I think one of the things that if you ask a simple question to the NDC to point out exactly what policy they have implemented that has resulted in the appreciation of the city, they cannot tell you one that has been implemented, not sort of talked about, but actually implemented. They cannot tell you one such policy. They only passed their budget in March. They've not even issued any contracts and paid for anything, pretty much. So you cannot ascribe what is happening to the currency to a policy that they have implemented. There's no such policy that has been implemented that has had that impact yet. For me, we had anticipated the impact of gold in this economy. I talked about it when we got into dire straits in 2022. Bank of Ghana had bought $5 billion worth of gold. After all the noise of the election, people are paying attention to our reserves. That is one thing, which we have built to 30 tons. Secondly, you've mentioned that the US dollar itself is on the decline globally. And that has also strengthened. If you go to Zambia, for example, the kwacha has gained a lot of ground also because you have the US dollar declining in value because of what is happening in the US with all of that. So I think those are critical. And then there's the third element is that they are not spending. I mean, if you are managing an economy, you have to pay your bills. They are not paying IPPs, for example. This is why the doomsday is so acute. And they are not paying contractors. So when you are not spending, there's less pressure on your currency. Yeah, so those are some of the reasons why you are seeing an appreciation of the currency.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Etene kan nsemo kan no na agiga abrante Solomon Wusu a oka wona kasadema movement for change no say Dr. Bawumia pa de said ye eniguase asia ka no memu ne nkasa ne na memu nyina mu de besi ne no so wo sa akopɛ no ho asɛm akɔka sidi ho ahoɔden ho asɛm de a na ne ho bɛyɛ no nwanwa pa nti bɛyɛ de a ɔno nko a susu sɛ ko nkana no ntum kura.
I have no difficulty praising this administration if the dollar is stabilized. In the same way, when it begins to rise, I will come here and then bash the governor of Bank of Ghana. So I don't have any. In any case, I had the former flag, the flag bearer of the MPP in the last elections, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, says that he hasn't seen any policy that must solicit for any applause for this government. Not doing anything itself is a policy. If he cares to know. If you decide to come to government and one of your strategies is not to do anything, it's part of your policy. Policy not do anything. And if that one alone can bring the dollar down, then it means it's a good policy. He that was doing things the right way according to him, where did we find the dollar? 17 cities. When he's in opposition, then he will be giving us lectures in economic matters. In government, then he says he's an IT person. How can we be treated to this? This is not fair to the sensibilities of the people of this country.
Thank you, Solomon Owusu. Thank you very much for coming.
Afeye kwa kutubabi ewo Ayawaso Central Municipality numu ewo Enkran. Eho ena de omampani aboni din Owura Rudolph Collingwood Williams. Omkoshia kutubabi ho se womo to abaje natum. Na omko na otwe ba kunu twem no amanfo ampene omo pamo no. Ena omasa akobio we nso omade akotentam a anyiyi. Ya anyiyi ni nyina kira na manfo pa. E kira anya de omo pe no wom nne no kura na omampani akoboni nti kwa bia so wo ba de to so miensa kura anya de ombeje na atum. Moma yentie NDC fu ekugu ho no mu ye dede na ensem no se de omo a e kirem.
Otu nkwana muti obiesi otu enti otu ana epe se we konsunuba for my epe otu ye be upo yepe otu because onu na enim no onu enim party no onu enim bre ye nu na bre ye ni otu bre ye ni made oye no otu no vote ye block me bia we not otu no vote for life muno biaba ye be ni pa na kunu otu na ba no na ba we not otu no vote and I catch them. Commando to Noah. Ya Brahma party. Ya Bre, I'm a party. Ya Commando to Naya. Commando to Nyon, I am to Abba. When the commander to no. Oh, no, Chama, and this is Chama. And this is Chama. Oh, two nights. Then about 5 barrels. Because of Raoul, I'm not a boy and 2 entities. I'm not a boy and 2 candidates, Ben and Kamu.
Okay, Nadia Koso ewo Enkran enono Ayawaso Central. Na mibisa posi for say we nso eye kire anase we osi jam because na ebi ne aposifoɔ no kra de abɔso o enti sɛ emra wo ho ana ndisifoɔ mabunu no bi de emra ni wo mo sɛ muti wo mo nsɛm wo ka we nsu de wo mayi wo manim pefe posifoɔ ntim meka se yɛn hu wo mo wo seti wo mo de obi etwa foforo san ba bi wo mbɔ no gye otu enti posifoɔ yɛ hwɛ mo no kra mo bɛka ewo menum ebra so sɛ wo nipa kro de wo bɛyɛ na nya yɛsi ni pei ne yɛka we de wo mo se wo mo kyese wo nipa no wo mo mpɛ no enti obi obeba bi wo mbɔ no wo mo aboro mo nkɔfo no bi apiapia bi yemu bi ne wo yi posi ni gi driver ni sika na driver no ka se de wo ye nyekura ko bi twa se maton so nka mbɛkye no nti we ye hwɛ ayawa so sɛmbakyi bi agipu sempa mo anchi bi a damanim adwumadi bi a yidi wa ha se dawanim oyɛ papa oyɛ fa oyɛ bɔne a so obi ye ne ka na obi ye nka wo ye nyina ye ho na enhwemu bi abetodwa afiri maame bitisi wiafia ye nyina enim so mamu de kokuram nufom kokuram yare breast cancer odi akotene ewo mu no na maame kyira ono ogina nhwemu a binom aye de abre na fa galamse ho se sese yare se de ACD mati tru nyan nyina galamse a etu asete eno nti na akobasa mama yentie maame bitisi afia bira na okasa na wochim brekura saa nhwemu ene wo ma eye nyina eba ya amna kosi so anti wonye agina so no wokase breast cancer de sisi galamse ena akofa abai
anajo me prepare for a net program na me saka omo report omo de aba omo aye adwuma papa within a short period of time omo pick samples from Izona Eastern region mo ni tua Izoni nyina say aduane a ye di wo region no yenim eniema ewo nti afa na omo aye sa nhwehwemu no but ne abeda de ne say sa chemicals a yenim se bebre na aye carcinogenic no bebre wo yaduane no bebre wo yensuo no bebre wo yasase no nti enye nwanwa se yenso ye cancer no ewo so and I'm happy and grateful to Teva Omokroyana support yen to do that research ayene University of Environment and Sustainable Development no timi from videos na menda Professor Edward Wiafe Debra in fact your last born no on a pro vice chancellor and the program no e call ya pen omuso and I'm sure say the report ne there e ba e betimi aboa in policy formulation otherwise e be kakra no enipa bebre ne benya cancer horo region because as say yes say environment ne dodo e wo yen eastern region.
Okay. Mami bitisu afi ne ete ne nka ne yekọ kwaku nyuma eno ewo Asutufi South mensinum ewo ahafo mantem mu na eho ena sabri adehete botam ho esu se esukese tanoso ufiri kwaku nyuma ede kono beko bridge bi ewo ho no aye hu papa ma ensuemu amnum se nyensu ketwa ampusi yira ne nkyɛnkyɛn kora akwa no etimi fa nipa na campus nsukasia ati se yenu amu so na ensamso bridge no a wo ho no enye ndi nipa bɛdɛ na ɔmadi akwani aba wo kyerɛ na sese de adwadie eniema ton ene wo mabrabo nyina yare sem no twia na etwe se fi se bridge no se de aye ne nua ne guso ene binum nsumpo asan yi na aye kokorokoro nyame am awutia ha unru tienu na yi na no asa kan atom som ekoba se nipa no ahoden ewen moma yentie krumofo no se de omusi e de wade sere eto abanim se nimu animu ya o ma ye bridge no ma won
bakuri mafo muntwe woni me he o mo na aja
Idwana do mtimi frese ya mafa adwuma wo kwan so da bia
ya adwuma kwa de bia eti no mako nti ya adwuma ba kwan so de bia
ana de
oh bu akura wontom bai ona betima hwe bridge na hono no akadem
okay
oh ampanefo a muti Losin TV ene president ne ampanefo Morgan ene na de ehia kwaku mafo no pa se omokwa no bo ya ma omo na na jo ahomachine ni awia ni na omatima faso na omo bre enye omo nkwan nso ye ble ye ride motor fabric nso ye ble pa na omo he mai bridge ni na say
okuri man mo ko bridge ni ya debia bridge no kwan ne ye iti esramo ya desrade na se mo ma hwe na bridge no mo nya maye kama fisa ha say ho ne hospital ho ne ko to bibia ye kura ben ye ho ne fa ko bibia iti se ba se nsu ni ira ya mo kire ye wo bridge ne so sempo mo ane hia ko da wo mane esra no na oboye ngakra maintain akra mai akasia ne de se de ye kakra na nketwa ne de ene ma nkoye kura se nsu betutu e be ka nsu ne ja wo kwa se obre bo se de kodro pra na tu ba bi ni afaso ti ya this residence esra mo aye na sa bridge no munyin firi o mai
ade oyi wadwene sɛ waka ya nene na otwea ye be ya mamo a nsuo no na eto no e ba sa so a aye bridge nuenua sa na ho na ye toro wo ye worofo ate som ade bi sie na nye ye ne amia ni mo ye ho moden hwe ho ye kakra enkosi se nyame be ya dom a ebia ho mbetie no ma be ye wo my way na ye ko takra de ho na lawyer Kali Caesar we no akoda Metro Mass Transit na no abo apro akohwe ka hodo a eye adwuma ho ne sedi nipa no so esi fro ene emu nsem na lawyer ekira na nokure ni sedi enti a Metro Mass eba o memu se meboate memufo ensa anyefo na entimi nkọ ba bia no enye no eno ono de okoye no okohu ne ye nto de to empanimfo anim se wonya abotre na ono wa be obeye nse obetimi bia ma Metro Mass nso aya akono
companies no they are very enthusiastic passes be assessing sabas na assessing no ye betimi aye no ye beye ade entimi nya no bori be ka se be scrap ye scrap ya ske be nya fimu ni nyina ye de beboa ade apija company no ha ma na gina na so e na wo hwe depo ha your warehouses your workshop ni nyina no abrase enti enmenim ya yi eno oba hu na akire se ye odwuma kase eye no ha ne mo made ye hye me nkran e sha ye me depa ne se ye employees omo ha staff omo ha omo hwe companies no they are very enthusiastic workers from international no kitan ho no modi no ani assurance said omo obia enkran hye se there's good news coming. First, I can say, warehouse, I can say, why. You must say, you're the amount for outsiders to rent. But Sika Mutria every month. I don't know. We are calling them some Mumra, remember head office. Here no matter as near Sasham. Because Utria for a big warehouse, say 2,000 a month. Let's just say, who the company know him. Because of a compound, a 2 near the other. Nanko Mutria Sika also Kumutria. Kebian Kaina Yasha. We have properties, a bit said waiting room, the engineers and the workshop in general. It's not a deplorable situation.
Sir, ye de ni kire Ola Girls Junior High School wo Cape Coast. Sabria meka say de wo mo kire na nema nkoyie kura. Nema enkoyie ne se sese akromfo ategu wo so ama ebi pa school no nchensen kotondi na ebi sisa nkonwa na ebi twitwa nkane wo honom ne sebe ensem fonkwa na ekoso tie school no na eno enama PTA chairman ya owo school num owura Zakari Yamba Gatoni wodi atudwa se nenso ben saa ne beba ene yaban ahemra se school mu kura tetete saa no ma yemfa wocheman entua neka ne be den ena saban eyi wocheman free school bi mu a nyame amwa abonefo sem sei ebi ensi ho moma yentie PTA chairman owura Zakari Yamba Gatoni.
Zakari Yamba Gatoni. I'm a Parents Association chairperson. Emma Ola Boarding Girls JHS. Na mo woman there ehwe mecha edan we see yache. But because of changes in the education structure into o ma dan no beda pan kaka. Ama akonfo otu wonyu si dan no do. Obapa roofing sheets na owodo ni nyina ngwa na azo wo nyina wo wiewia because school ni security na security nso onyi school no ọha adwen anya parents are na ya hyase de ye mwa kakra ye di security ka security na yetu na ka na nso no ebu ho no baba mpo na onyi ha no ho nsem nti ye besra aban ye besra ankwankwa bia obotum wa aboa sande ola boarding or your school bia wa agidin owo history nti old girls are wo baby a wo bia institutions MTN Vodafone obi ebotum aboa yen ewo the more akwan yedo na yetum ya put this structure back into use Sunday the school is growing, the numbers have begun growing and na moto dey bien ye learning materials usa electrical wires a wo school nyina we wia ya sha se de ono so ye pre de yebutum ya se ya ye den ya ye biom ana o ka ho nsu girls school a onyi nsu in fact onye oye de ma oye asefo nti ye besere de won hwe mayen na de munya mi yetum ye na so oboa nkanko. Thank you.
Ghana pa ndula guess ni junior high school ni ulaya ya kan we ho kra na nim guase na PTA chairman Zakari Yamba kasewie ya ena maame ono ena oda school na no Ewura Amanda Edwin na nyambe kire akore wode tudwa se etore bia ne ye aban eno de obi enya ne sa akope nanso nipa ni bi wo hɔ a utimi se nkombetin abeye school yi mu akora me na boroso fi se omompo de nyame adom hɔ a na omokoye wosi sudua se maame Joyce Bamford ado abrebi atwam kora waye achiame hema ewo mrase bedwa fie pen ene obi ti se maame Yvonne Indum aye Dr. Indum eyere
yeah because
wọ́n say wọ́n mienu kura kambo mo betumi bu school da na gu si ahyehyɛ toto nkonwa ma teacher for kura nya fridge akomba no mu nanso men yesu ba yi wo mu no nipa bi sa ene nkode me betu no butoma chenchewe kura we enti wo mu nyina wabo wo mu dini so wo mmra nimanimu ya o mabo school no na ho no wo koye
yeah because ye hu say in Duano roots no is getting into the building. I bet me collapse the very building that we are using. So my name is PA Yeshia and Yehun say yetimi etutu na ye level ground na ebema ground na ye firm na ma enkolani so walk about freely because we started with a primary school now. So if we don't make the environment no anye friendlier, the little ones that we are trying to nurture no will not be comfortable in the school. Enti Miss Totasre attitude for school way a training attitude for PE. Ebini the first female speaker. Ora Bamford Ado oba school wa ha say Indum Mrs. Indum so ba school wa ha say school ye training attitude for PE. Nti me Totasre calling on all old girls. So one somu waka na yemboa ola said the other schools old students no what boama school ni tumpon. Say che building na wanim ni dia kebeka se school ye hiamboa. Na so school hiamboa pi. Ye wa challenges pi wa ha esha. Ye urinal cry ye tete no the Roman sisters no muti ye na no na ye yusi. Na so say ye school ye akwani mo ye mu atre. Nti ye beto to asre philanthropists, ministers, MPs, yes, almost say, Omumbra, Emesoyemu, no Mumboy in school. What shall say? You were 3 classroom blog, a bubu say, and so TS Repi, say, Obiambra, Mayo, La Girls, and moi, wow, TME, Ewa Manone, Ewa baby, I will be in fear, baby, I will bet you and Kabia, Ola Girls, Ola Boarding Girls School, and I air free. Yes, almost a Mumay school name moi.
Yo headmistress Amanda yedawase na minim se maame Joyce Bamford ado de onte ana mo amon se dan komo mon ko bona mane wedie maame de enso ne yakura obeboa ama ehwa ye kama blog no kura wi a mon fendin to so maame se be ya nipa de da che ye de ya ye beko nyame to ne nsa frɛ no kora ne din bɛka wo sɛ school no enam so ama yenye ni petitire bi sie wo mayim na ɛhɔ so ɛna ɔkɔɛ ye ba santemantam abɔfo a ɛwɔ ɔfen so ɛhɔ ɛna asekyere busuapanin ho esie yitu no nom ne ade ayɛ ntɔkɔ a ama sabra meka sɛ de busuani nyinaa ɛde to santemawura otumfo se tu abebio anim sɛ wɔmbɛsere na onsi ɔfen so hene kwan ɔfen so hene nana dwamena kentɔtɔ so mienu sebe ya onya tumi na abusuapanini a wopese utu no owura Moses ontu no o mo kira na se owura Moses die ofenso hene ka so utu no abofo ho a afiri asekire busua no anya de o mbepene da eno nti na wode wade se ebre yiwura no ankasa se enimu enimu ya wonhwe na wonkasa enche ofenso ma hene sebe ya obijai na basabasa empo opka se obitu no ede baaye no ni nyina wo mumpe bi etie ewo ho moma yenhwe mfonire no ebre o muhia na basabasa no ahemfo ebore ho twetwede bi na bi ni mu fight ne ye omoto apakati nyina abem timde o yenhwe nwie na fe yemfra busuapani ne hofo ni bi na se saa ne nsem no te a omo enkyire mu nkyire
Excellency Ọ̀pẹ̀yẹ Moses.
Onu ni. Onu na kepe onye ne. Onu na ye busuape. Kwani minimum ya kona.
Na abrade ba kono boxing pen na aso nu twede ne topa o ana abo apae no hye da wo benyiro ayi na adwe se isia nipa we de mepran ahinsie ho we kura se yebusuan panine nya ahinsie kura mpo o se munya abotre na mo mfa de danento na anya sa on se na ma nyina wo na fi ntokwa ne ba se ma de ane ha wo mo peso opata na nsonso opata na okotehwe ni sisi nyabo ho se kai eno nso skra kofa asemfoforo e de abre to de abofofo madama munya abotre munya de betu yewure ni mu de mamfa mfuni na so enyina ho anso nkasisi mumpusu no mra na yemfa yenkwa busuapani muzo busuapani yemo haba tetemafro online tv so wokumase busuapani yemo ha hello busuapani Ejapeni Moses Zoma humanu ntumma mena Ejapeni wosona yehwe se twede ni bika no za nkano a na yedio enye ko ba na kakru bia be die ntia nyekuru na yedie pese ho hello okay mesrama amode munya botre enhwe man na ye boye homoden se ahomano betum na abusuapani na ba homano so ne ene no monkomo enhwe ensem no ne nkyiremu se entia ompese omutu no na ono nso ne dom doso nti akoye bufuo adane entokwa ekurei ye hello abusuapani okay ye bomodin ase yensabeka abusuapani na yene no abo enkomo no na se abusuapani yempeno a yetotwede abusuapani yepeno a yetotwede munya botre ma munya botre abusuapani mbacho ya mwa abusuapani ya mwa ha abusuapani ya mwa ha abusuapani mbacho jina yie kakra abusuapani Moses ya mwa ha abusuapani ya mwa ha mesrawa abusuapani jina yie hello Shapani Mesoja, Casana Casawachina, Tia and Zawai. You are more to an on so. Hello, Shapani. Mr. said, I was happening a crowd among friendly power from my. Oh, my never horn so, Mama, I am freebie. Na, I am Jinadu Jinasona so be Tiano, say, I said, you moody Dracula with children. Our picky commands on so on Casawachi. Minimum still be a trader can be penina.
Spare parts, the entire so MI. Because they make 312 inches. First time a ton of 250. They say I do 550 million. Now, what told Indian man 550 million? Number what two cases was Indian matters one. The person who wants to spare parts is so dear. And the budget. As one to take spare parts, so still spare parts that's what they are. Or two man, or this one in here. Because therefore, in front of somebody, 30 year care, you might have a person. Tie boarding. Engine boarding, I read the boarding, barefoot, sitting now, so you can't and maybe you will be what I said, and I will that with that fuel
on Fred at this, you need to take numbers.
For your barefoot, I almost it's a nice above for my car.
You must have been transition.
So I to Melzy for at the Tomonia Masudia. No, but the Abaha, no, so I'm at take us from Sadia. I was going to point out the Atinos had it here. What the young who said about fun for dinner demo. That's the sum. Nobody be any about school. Nobody be a nursing turning. It's just to be piano off on a my war. As everyone first now, I said, oh, for where my said, you'll be a it's name this time I'm running. A buying was officer will be a was set off for a baby of the city of Friday, then I go. I'm can't tell me until I be a police and the police will jump us. Are they? Who free? What's what job? We do Santa Market police for job, no job. In some job, discuss the Piama Jessica. What's the kind of police for never pass? I tell the police for President I am more. Now, say a police for the Bazaars that continue. Was nobody who took her out when take a time of police will be the pass. No, I take it. Or some year fast film. I said, I'm a policeman, John Wood. And this are not maybe I'm trying to tell you about him. It's a chance that didn't have question. It's when your police for your police for my that police be and to be an what tickets for quite a chance. And yes, our party, you're just in that chance. It is coming to the Bajani, but maybe you this nipper. You get this nipper. Oh, this was and this summer happened, but I still see more. So we die now. You have constitution like one yard party about what for me. Not for Suji, more man, but for your part. A man of the never be same. Because on the floor by a revenue, the offer be an about a revenue, the piano for piano for which I buy 1 minute ago for the so your man I go and be about parliament. Because of that, I need my here, ma. Now, come here, come on, fierce, and I can say, and can you pay? Was that's why the media, you spend this, the beer spend this, the beer spend it because of quite pregnant. The beer coupons on the double shop. Oh, need not. I'm going to be my name. I don't have debate.
I say, almost this way. Say, Bibia is here. And to swab by, yes, yet to so. And then to move on swap, to me up. Into almost to swap. I am my passengers. I And I be a more so that you have to give a back and for you to pass in the Saturday, a mine, a I would try my see no man, a man. Yeah, and almost one my intimate. And the answer for a woman to me, yes, wrong with do sound, I would say my and come
I mean, Jerry, the Metesa Yati Petros, and the Atiswami from Quawa, a babuami. And I hear the same coins who ask me. Trotro for Omocran, and it, William Crady. How do I charge you? Why I charge you? That's Trotro for. Of our fruit, you must not do a buha. Or do I know what to wash? If you are not so long, come after my Roma. You said, almost one tissue. I had 2 1 of the account. I do a year, the same brother, and I'm a now a year. Dubai anymore. Basso Polaya, how much price? Be a funny fair, and not yet. When Tiasi, Pra, Ubia and the open. And that's a Ghana. Oh, we're driving with the home that you 5 cities. I want to show.
Lolo fair, dear. A banner castle or Tiswa in ye. Yes, sir, young your hop and yet. You're tossing your friend airful. The dada and I pay that. Who are you? What is so saying? No, I can't just over Lolo fair to 50%. In ye. Also 10%. And then I took 50%. They have too much. So on. And I spare pass no boy thing. Yet to top. They say, yes, in so costly. It is a band or a castle of a tiffer. So that's a spare pass in the young woman as young to swap. And if you tell me about our cast across me, the pap and the city, 300 cities. What 2 are you? Dear boss, as a major pap and the city. Now then, yet a lot first. Huh? Who are you to say? I know what a lot of first, you know. Sadia, and ye.
By a driver for no so one me ante so. A passenger for so per se a tisso. Or seka ye bisha pussy for so say yente so anami ente so. Pussy for cast a yente so in the driver for no catcher or so. Say Ujina run about a hot was would do or take care do run about a hot was what. MJ said was woman driver for none as she show. And you drew her no at no one, sir. Now, and penny for no crown when he sent Corana, or my form for Amazon penny for no money to him, monomonquaje. Run about to be a work room, beer. Now, Yansaka was a penny to me and caught a homera. I was a penny yamoha. I was a penny yamoha.
I'm a win. I can't wait to me. And we should be a yiba to say I'm penny. And I know, and so where back on stress of the moment to what a big trouble, what up away.
El Shapani Amwa El Shapani El Shapani El Shapani, my cocoa rafom, at the same El Shapani Moses. Okay, we just so bad and come out within a champs and noon here and come besides a Chadian Bicana and also an also a 2B Nanka Yashe. And so still, Ediana Mama Yenina Wilsona Cassie can a chinapana or my chateau was a yentis in defeat in a corner there. Minim say, Paye bigger. Now, and conform to be jadi or more general a quano sonnet dear. El Shapani.
Hello.
El Shapani Amwa. El Shapani. Oh, minim the entire bus. El Shapani line into me. El Shapani Amwa. El Shapani. I don't mama I am for insure. Any mama yenina sidina ho den no so. Na yemfa kasebonu nsia enne ifiade nyame adom adwara na mbetienka unim se ifiada kosi adwara kosi fiada ewie bia edumienu kosi donko ena kasebonu ye de bremo na ye kan ne ada odi for Samuel prayer and counseling center na sibio se o musu emu awie bia itimi de bro maka cho dada se ya kwantu mu nsem afakọ da no adwuma promotion afakọ promise and feel edu nya onso fakọ saa ne bia na honhom aware bi so edaw so a enye kura hwe ho asem ka ewodi fo ho ahensam a wenum na se wo mo de ba mo di fo hwe mu anko mo koi kentokwa bi ensi nka boxers nkopie ho saa bemom nyina kuma katom yem no makasem no boko saa nso na court asem de wani mu ana obi ji wajapade usika kokko obi hye baabi unhu na sika kokko no ho adwuma na wo ye ewo fom onko abetu futuro da wo fom onso mimi ngura ho da ba se de esi tete de adwuma na nyemre moni kura na ede anyame ahye mo de ntimi sro ya pe na wo kwa adan sika ma onso wo de aye de obe bi nso ana kwantu obi de wani mu kofio ubedu ambaji yeso ye fia elu prenu na ojira ho aspaki ye twa o kofi ba frɛ ade nso wagye nka ye kofia na omna fro ade nso ada na fia o ma frɛ nye yie nyasa na mranti ndi bra odifo Samuel prayer and counseling center ho ewa hembobo ano ejaba family house ho traffic light na sepe na onhwuma frɛ 0245479724 ena 0506157020 beko no ano na je ensem no enchim yeda mo munya adaje hwe ye ni nyina se echi kura na abehwe a medo ase mo mutie ye nso saa adwumayefo no obia yeda mase semunya adaje ehhye maye na menso mbekan midindi no na opoku agema no nyame yadoma yebesen ehia nemum mesori ape enche na tetemo frako hu na eye entertainment no so etoaso eya atwen abrante oma ene ninu ba Goslav na wonfa emro eya hyene nsonso se wukuada bia enwumre no fi no nwotwe kro no ketepa ewura Susan ne na pamfo e de bro enche kura na yuna no nso ba eye sports Champions League we fan anokra ba fan live dia no nso hwe no wa ha abrante Alex ne pamfo ma ye krado dendenden etwen Ghana Premier League no nso beti mu nsem yi na wete kotoko awan so ha referee score na nyina bebam referee fontore bia ye hwa ya yinim se ade ndie wanya bona to de penalty ba bia na FIFA for enemo di nkomo na mra na ba foforo yen huni se be ye ne montem supporters bedwunti no referee for so mozo mbeba ha no mabekire mu akire ye saa esoso ena dwedi ahodo a bi ya mamre no ne ade nyina edidi animu a enche kura yedi nya bebro fidwa de konso de obeti enka e wo politics mu se ohima yong so ene apamfo asi nkonwa e de bremo editor ben echia ne ntafo ni nyina maka echia mo Eliano ne ninua Ellis kakra ne pen mu nyina ye chia mo ewura ye Royal B UK ena wo oni cruise ni nyina ye chia mo pa damase se de Royal B for eduru ha omo wo UK bridge mem nenso timo from online TV omo te ho ehwe echi omo hia se kuaku kura omo hwe na official ajako no efe dodo ye damase sana mo se yetimo nka fi bia no ya mo fam din no mra makwasi oso o US me yonko brebo pa so me chiao de bia so si hu no kwadwuma bakora ha wo hwe ya wonai munyina ye chiamo asi nyame enkwa edemam bye bye.